Hey guys, it's me Elise and I'm back with another video. I hope you guys are all doing well right now, especially during this holiday season. I hope you guys are staying safe, and if you're spending time with your family, be sure to keep yourself protected. But I have a new wig and it comes from a company called Eayon hair. I think that's how you pronounce it, and this is my first time trying their wigs out. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into it. So the wig that I picked up is their water wave bob. This is their 360 lace frontal wig. My wig is 14 inches long and 150% density. It also has that light brown lace that I wasn't too fond of because it didn't work for me, but we're going to take care of that later on in the video. Right now I'm just prepping my wig for customization. I'm just removing that comb because I feel like it's in the way, because I knew I wanted a middle part and that comb was just kind of in the way, so I went ahead and I removed that. Now I'm just using my 30 volume developer and bleaching powder to bleach the knots of this wig. Now this wig already has the pre-plucked hairline, so if you're a beginner, you don't really have to worry about doing anything that I'm doing right now. But you guys all know what I like to do, so I'm just going to go ahead and customize my wig. I went ahead and I bleached my knots, and now I'm just using some shampoo, conditioner, and my shimmering light shampoo in order to tone it. Not in that order either, but yeah, you guys will see as I do it. I'm going to finish washing my hair, and I'll see you guys once I'm finished. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and customize the wig just a little further. Like I mentioned before, this wig does already come with the pre-plucked hairline and the baby hairs, but I'm just going to customize it so that it works better for me. Once again, if you're a beginner or if you just kind of want something that's ready to go, all you have to do is just throw it on and go about your business. You can go ahead and skip all of these steps right here. However, I am going to customize it just so that it works better for me. So right now I just pulled the baby hairs forward, and I'm going to tweeze those a bit just to thin it out just a little bit, and then I'm going behind the hairline and kind of doing like a stroke like method on tweezing the hairlines just to thin it out just a bit. After I do that, I'm going to then part more of the hair behind the hairline and just kind of thin that out a little more, just because it looked a little dense for me. But once again, this wig is good to go. You don't have to do any of this stuff. I'm just a little extra at times. So yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and thin it out the hairline, and that is how much hair that I removed. It is quite a bit, however, you guys are going to see exactly how this comes together. Now I'm going in with my styling mousse, and I'm just applying that, and this kind of makes laying the baby hairs a little more fluid. So I'm going to go ahead and lay my baby hairs as I usually do, and I'll see you guys once I'm finished. Okay, yeah, hey guys. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get into this wig. So this is actually a couple of days later and the hair is completely dry. If you guys do happen to use mousse to lay your baby hairs, you might want to give your wig a good shake in order to break that crunchy cast. But yeah, right now I'm just gonna go in and remove the lace. You guys all know how I do this. Nothing new, nothing special. I hate cutting off the lace. That's like one of the things I don't like about lace wigs is removing the lace. But yeah, go ahead and do that. Now we're gonna go ahead and get the wig on, and I wanted to show you guys the lace along the hairline. It is in that light brown color, and y'all all know I am not light brown, so it really didn't work out for me. But a lot of the times when you melt the lace, and what I mean by melting the lace is just apply a little bit of gel or glue, everything kind of comes together. So that's what I'm going to do now. However, it just didn't work for me, and I was a little sad by it because I had high hopes and I thought that this wig was absolutely gorgeous. It's just the lace, it's just a little too light for my complexion, and it never really worked out for me. However, we're gonna go ahead and try to make this work. So if you guys have some black tea, this is a really quick method on how you can tint your lace. Or I'm gonna leave a couple of suggestions down in the description box, because I do have like some lace tint spray, some things of that sort, in case you don't want to take it this far and tint your lace. However, I've been doing this for years and it works for me. So I used about 4 packets of black tea, and I allowed it to sit in the hot water for about 20 minutes, and you guys can see side-by-side comparison where we came from and where we worked up to. And this is what the lace now looks like. It's pretty blendable to my skin tone. So yeah, this is actually the next day. You guys can see how close it is to my skin tone. It's still a little light for my liking. However, it worked for the most part. But once again, I'll leave some, suggestions down in the info section, just in case you guys don't want to waste your time and tea tint your lace. But now I'm just going to apply some gel and go ahead and get this lace melted. So yeah. So I allowed this little wrapping strip to sit along my hairline for about 10 minutes or so, just to allow my hairline to set, and we are good to go. Now, as you guys can see, the hairline looks a whole lot better. However, it's still a little light for my liking, but it's a whole lot better. Definitely do the black tea method in case you run into this same issue. Or you can use like a lace tint spray in case you don't really have much time on your hands. But yeah, I just went ahead and applied a little bit of powder foundation to my parting area just to kind of let that pop just a bit, because with the black tea, it also tinted the lace along the part. So go ahead and do that. And I also applied a little bit of mousse to the top of my hair just to kind of get rid of that mannequin head shape, just so it can kind of conform to my head shape. And yeah, this is what the wig is now looking like. I love bobs, if you guys can't already tell. Especially textured bobs. Textured bobs are my favorite. This hair is absolutely gorgeous. You guys get into it. Once again, you guys do check out Eayon Hair. They are also having their Black Friday and Cyber Monday sale. I don't know how long it's gonna last, so you guys be sure to check them out here soon. I will have all the information in the info section below, so go ahead and check them out. So yeah, let me know what you guys think about this wig. I loved how the lace came together, because at first I was a little frustrated, but it worked out in the very end. So yeah, you guys check out Eayon hair. Let me know what you guys think about this one, and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye guys.